This is my first time, guys. Please be kind. Okay, that was very kind. Okay, so this song, Kahani from Udan, I used to listen to this song in my attic in Manali, sitting with my chai and my sutta in one hand. And after I had come back from teaching, I used to teach in this government school in Manali. I used to teach English to class 4th, 6th, 7th, 9th, 10th. Basically 70% of the whole school. Yeah, but the thing is, I mean, the experience has been great and everything, one of the reasons why I'm here, but I've come to tell you what changed and how things changed over the period of time. So I came to Manali and I'm living in this like gorgeous farmhouse. This family owns. The family also owns the school, and why I came there was because a colleague of mine before I joined Manali, where I came to teach, she told me like, you know, Lauren, you have like this great passion with kids and you're amazing and you can talk to anyone. So, you know, go to Manali. And I applied for Teach for India, पर 2 साल का था तो मैंने बोला नहीं 2 साल नहीं पढ़ा सकती मैं इतना लाइफ में दे नहीं सकते इतने easily. So 6 महीने का 1 semester I'll go to Manali and I'll have fun. So I go to Manali and I'm there in this awesome attic, like this wooden attic, and like must matlab, you know, you have these mountains around and the school is like walking distance. I would go in the morning and I come in the afternoon and I'm sitting in my attic and I'm listening to this song Kahani, like Udan se, and I just tell myself, you know, no Lauren, like it's not over, the story is not over. And I used to have this moment recurring, like, you know, first month, second month teaching, third month teaching, I would sit there with my chai, with my sutta, with this song, thinking like, you know, no, something is. So the problem was that in that school, like, it was just a money-making business, you know, for these guys. They were these rich zamindars, और उनके पास orchard था अपना, सेब वगैरह उग रहे थे, स्कूल खोल दिया, एनुअल फेस्टिवल में अपने सारे दोस्त लोग को और पूरे विलेज को बुलाते, देखो हमने कितना अच्छा स्कूल खोला है, एंड देखो एनुअल फेस्टिवल में बच्चे अंग्रेजी के शब्द बोल रहे हैं, पर अंग्रेजी के शब्द जब मैंने रिहर्सल्स में देखा, the kids don't even know they're speaking, you know. The woman is standing there and saying, अच्छा do this, do that, and like say this. The sky is blue and we are watching. And the guy's like, okay, fine, I'll do it. The sky is blue and I'm watching. Ma'am, what does that mean? And I'm just like, you know, just tell him what it means. Maybe he'll be able to like put his own intention behind the words. Anyway, एक ये किस्सा हो रहा था. Dining table पे the grandmother जो principal भी थी school की, she and her granddaughter जो extracurricular school में पढ़ाते थे, they used to sit and have dinner table conversations about like this girl who broke the chair because she was a bit chubby and she sat on the chair and how it broke, and they used to laugh about it, you know, पूरे dinner table पे बच्चों की, you know, they would talk about the kids. They would talk about how there's this class 10th boy who would get up from the class and leave because उसको मन नहीं था पढ़ने में, क्योंकि जो पढ़ रही थी teacher would, he was disinterested and no trying to understand कि मतलब what is going on in that guy's head. There was this 9th standard की girl, you know, and she had eyesight trouble. And जब मैं आई पहले दिन नौकरी करने, the principal is like, you know, she's mentally retarded. Don't give her much time, actually. Just like, you know, just don't waste your time on her. Teach the other kids. So I started off with this energy, you know, like कि मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है स्कूल में ये, और मैं उनके घर में उनकी छत पे रह रही हूँ, you know, I'm sitting in their house eating their food and I'm having these like problems where I'm like, how am I supposed to like make change? How is this one person 21 साल की लड़की दिल्ली से आ गई है यहाँ पर चेंज क्रिएट करने, हाउ इज़ दैट गोना हैपन? एंड so I mean, to cut long story short, like all these things were happening and I was trying to bring change. I basically, what bring change? Bullshit. I was trying to like, you know, so basically I did a first play in my second year college at Stephens, and it was an amazing play. मैंने पहली बार stage पे गई and it was amazing. मेरे dad audience में बैठ के रो रहे थे and everything. So clearly it was a great production. So I realized कि I hit a nerve there somewhere. But उस time पे ये नहीं था कि भाई theater करेंगे, actor बनेंगे वगैरह. So anyway, I was here in Manali and I was doing all these drama techniques in class, and like class 4, class 6, 7th, like I remember all those kids were, you know, doing like learning English in a way that they've never been taught before, and I was having fun. मेरे को क्या compare करने को था वो ICSE का श्रीराम में जो पढ़ा था? No, I was doing my own shit, you know, and I was telling stories like I'm doing now. So yeah, so like, and so then I used to do this thing called exit slips. I don't know if any of like teacher people would know that. I would just have them write a question, an insight or a thought that my students had during the class, and then they would just come and put it in my bag at the end of the class, and I would take it home and I would sit in my attic listening to that song and drinking chai, and I would read those. And they were anonymous, so I didn't know who was writing what. Then this was 2 weeks before I got fired from the school that I read this slip which said, and I'll tell you about the fired thing, but I read this slip which this girl Sheetal wrote. I remember Sheetal because uski writing मेरे को याद थी. So she's like, thank you Toto ma'am. Toto is my pet name. Like, thank you Toto ma'am. मैंने आपको अपनी notebook finally submit की है, and thank you for finding my voice. And why so? Because this girl, she would never, she's bright as hell, but so low on confidence, you know. She was so low on confidence. Right answer पता था, हाथ नहीं raise करेगी, notebook में लिखेगी. And she would not give me her notebook. मैं collect कर रही हूँ notebook, and she would just be like, no, I don't want to give it. And I just felt like, you know, this girl just struck a chord. And when I read that exit slip, I just picked up my phone, called my mummy. I said, माँ, मैं दिल्ली आ रही हूँ, फिर मैं बॉम्बे जाऊँगी और मैं actor बनूँगी. पर actor क्यों बनूँगी ना? Because I realized कि someone, I could make change. Like, I didn't have to make change on like this big scale change. How would I change this family, this power structure, this society, this fucking system? ये सब change करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I think I just needed to find the change that I wanted to make within myself, you know. So even that thing, that girl, she said she found her voice, but I felt like I found mine. And 2 weeks later when I got fired, I was like, हाँ ठीक है, मतलब मैं जा रही हूँ, like, पर मैं जा रही हूँ कुछ like बड़ा करने. And my kids, you know, like, I remember I was in the middle of the class, the principal called me inside, she like, you're fired. Why fired? Because suddenly the village was getting to know कि भाई इनका क्या लोचा चल रहा है, पैसे का, you know, all the, मतलब the children के जो parents थे, they used to work with them in their orchard. So they were all getting this news कि, you know, like the kids annual festival हो रहा है और 2 दिन पहले annual festival के बच्चे exam हो रहा है और 2 दिन पहले exam के बच्चे annual festival की preparation कर रहे हैं वगैरह. So they were all getting this nerved and they knew कि Lauren ma'am कुछ अच्छा कर रही है वगैरह. So anyway, they didn't like that. So those people just called me in the office. They said, well, you are let off. I'm like, ठीक है, दिल्ली की ticket book कर रही हूँ मैं. And I walked off, and my class 7th was in the balcony, and I still remember, I was walking off, and they're like, Toto ma'am! I said, and I looked up, and they're like, and I remember it was the cutest thing ever. And I remember my class was also outside, and they were just like, they were saying bye to me, and they had these thank you cards which they wrote in like half an hour, and they were giving. All of that is not important, but like, when I came back, I just knew that I'm here. I just did another play in Delhi, and then I came here to Bombay, and now I'm here, like, in this city, trying to change things in my life. I was sitting today in my house crying because काम नहीं मिल रहा है मेरे को. And Siddharth called me up. He's like, you want to go for the storytelling thing? I'm like, yeah, cool, but मेरा पैसे नहीं है, so I can't come. He's like, but that's why my sister is here. So, and then the sister's telling me, oh, do you want to tell your story? I'm like, hell yeah. And then here I am today.